Paul Williams. I live in Darwin, Northern Territory, and I work for Charles Darwin University as a maritime lecturer. In my spare time, I like to fish for barramundi, mackerel, marlin, sailfish, blue water, rivers, estuaries, doesn't matter. As long as it's fishing, I'm happy. So we've had about 4 motors on it since the day I got it, and first we started with the Optimax 225, and then we put the Verado 250 on it, then we had a Verado 350 on it, and now we've gone to the Pro XS 200. Seeing fuel saving advantages. So I'm over the Verado 250 that we had on it, I'm sort of getting around about the 25% fuel economy, better than what I had with the 250 Verado. There is a little bit of top end difference, but I'm surprised at how well this one operates up to, sort of 3/4 throttle. Very, very punchy, which is what the Verados were known for when they come out. I chose the Pro XS. I like performance. I enjoy performance, I enjoy going quick, but I enjoy good fuel economies. We travel long distances, so we're after to try and sort of fuel savings there where we can, and the technology in these things is fantastic. Yes, I found the weight saving to be considerable on this boat. The first motor we had was an Opti 225, and the weight is comparable with this now, and the performance is better than what we had back then. Now I'm going back to the original sort of setup where the weight was distributed in the boat because of the weight savings. The propeller we're running on this at the moment is the Revolution 4, 17 pitch. It seems to work quite well. It's only early stages, but it gives us a lot of grip. It also gives us a lot of stern lift as well at the same time. This is a heavy boat, quite heavy in the rear end, and we've got built-in bow lift already there, so we're looking for more stern lift. Been around outboards all my life, and Mercury's are my favourite. I've got about 5 of them at the moment. They all give me great service, and I'll keep moving with them with the technology that they're bringing in. You don't want to be anywhere else.